Hi guys, happy Friday! Woohoo! How's your week been so far? What have you guys been up to? Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Right now, I'm about to make some breakfast.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Finished product. I made some scrambled eggs with some spinach and then some feta cheese. And then I have a side of half of avocado, and then I have some mixed berries on the side. And then I'm gonna add some ketchup and my favorite hot sauce, Cholula. Hey guys, so right now I'm in my backyard. It's super sunny out. I'm about to do some squats, so I have two 10-pound plates on each side, so it brings up to a total of 40 pounds. So I just finished my workout. Now I'm gonna have some of this protein powder. It's from Isopure. It's in the flavor strawberries and cream, and it's about 100 calories. It has 0 carbs, and it has 25 grams of protein. What are we making?
We're making bancel.
Yum.
Yum. With shrimp and some pork.
So this wraps up the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!